Electron microscopy analysis is frequently complex. We believe that our protocol facilitates the processing and acquisition of the EM data from the large sample surface and intermediate volumes.
Our protocol helps find target structures in serial sections. Data recording is limited to what's necessary. Compared with data acquisition in whole tissue blocks, recording time is reduced and data analysis easier.
Given the overall ease of the approach, we believe that it can be used to address not only scientific questions, but also as a diagnostic tool.
To generate an array for analysis, first clamp the sample onto an ultramicrotome holder and use a razor blade to roughly trim the resin around the sample. Use a diamond trimming tool to fine trim the sample, and use trimming knives of 20 or 90 degree inclination to ensure that the top and bottom surfaces of the block are parallel to the knife's cutting edge. Mix xylene and glue in a 3:1 proportion, and use an eyelash attached to a toothpick to apply the mixture to the top and bottom edges of the trimmed block. While the mixture is drying, use a wafer cleaving tool to cut a piece of wafer to the appropriate size for the analysis. Clean the wafer in distilled water to rinse away any debris, and clean the surface with plasma after the wafer is dry. To prepare an array tomography knife, use foamy sticky tape to attach a needle to the bottom of a histo-jumbo knife, and place the knife into the ultramicrotome holder at 0 degrees. Adjust the edge of the knife parallel.